Hello, my dear Tiny Tots. Good morning and Jai Hind, everyone. So, now today we are going to study the place value of four-digit number that is ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000. As we are studying all the topics, we are going to cover all the topics of four digit numbers that we have done. Addition of four digit, subtraction of four digit, write in words, write in figures, we have done even and odd, we have done of four digits, and put the correct sign we have done. So now only place value is left. So today we are going to do place value, and on Monday or Tuesday we have 2 days. So one day I will be doing the revision of the PT2 यूनिट टेस्ट. ठीक है, PT2 टेस्ट की हम रिवीजन करेंगे, सारे टॉपिक्स को एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे. ऑलराइट, एंड दैट इज ऑन ट्यूसडे. एंड ऑन मंडे वी विल बी डूइंग असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ठीक है, ऑफ फोर डिजिट नंबर. बाय दिस वी विल कंप्लीट ऑल द टॉपिक्स ऑफ फोर डिजिट नंबर्स. And then we will be having, after your test and all, we will be having the new topics, right? That money chapter, time chapter, that we are going to study after your test. And you know, shapes are also there, shapes and patterns, right? You will be studying about circle, square, all these shapes, right? So all these things we will be doing after your unit test too. Clear? So let's start today's topic, that is place value of four digit numbers. Okay, let's start. Yes, so now everyone, you have to write down today 3 pages, one classwork, one homework, and in one page you have to write about place value. ठीक है, with an example. So heading डालो यहाँ पे place value. Here your date. Okay, now here you have to write one example. ठीक है, ये क्या है? Example. So you can write here example. Or if you don't want, you just don't write it. I'm just explaining you that it's an example, right? So don't worry, it's an example only. आपको एक क्वेश्चन में मैं explain करूँगी properly, and then you have to do in your classwork notebook. So everyone write down like this. After writing place value, write this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, and write the number 5, 4, 6, 1. Now we will be writing the each and every digits place value. Now let me change the ink color. You can also use pencil color for this. Now we will write here of 1. Here we will be writing of 2. Here we will be writing of 3. And here we will be writing of 4. Alright, so what you have to write, actually, I'm just mentioning it. I'm drawing it again, students, so that you can have one line more. You have to just leave one line after writing. Clear? So here I'm writing 1. This is 6. Okay. Then 4. And then 5. Now we will be having two lines in each. Now let me change the pen. Okay. Now see, 1 कौन से place पे है? It is on 1's place. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? The place value. इतना आपको लिखने की नीड नहीं है, ये बस explanation है, इसलिए मैं ये पूरा लिख रही हूँ. But you don't have to worry about in questions exam में ऐसे नहीं लिखना है. The place value of 1 is, why I am writing this? ताकि आपको पता हो कि हम कैसे बोलते हैं. The place value of 1 is, क्या होगा place value? 1 और 1 ones. हम ये दो चीज बोलते हैं. So it's better, don't write all these things, just directly write the answer. ठीक है, आपके कॉपी में आप चाहो तो पूरा लिखो या फिर डायरेक्ट आंसर्स भी लिख सकते हो. ऑलराइट, सो द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 इज 1 और 1 ones. ऐसे लिखना है. ठीक है, ये हमें लिखना है एग्जाम में, चाहे आप ऐसे लिखो चाहे ऐसे लिखो. नाउ व्हाट इज द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 6? Place value of 6 is 60 or 6 tens place पे, so 6 tens. Next, 4 is at 100 place. So it will be 400 or 4 hundreds. Right? 100 place पे. Now last. 5 is at 1000 place. So 5000 or 5000. Like this you have to do. Okay? Thousands. Put S over here. Understood? This topic. So in this way we have to complete our today's classwork and your homework. So this is the pattern to write. So अगर आप सिर्फ ऐसे लिखना चाहते हो, you can write in this way also. If you want to write in this way, it's your wish, totally your wish कि आप किस तरह से लिखना चाहते हो. Right? So coming towards the classwork of today. Write heading, write the place value of encircle digit. Write the place value of the circle digit. जो जो सर्कल किया रहेगा उसका लिखना है circle digit. This is your classwork. Put the date and then write down the numbers A, B, C and D. Right? And here you have to make columns like that, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Draw the line over here, students, everyone. Draw the line here. Alright? And underline the heading with the help of any other pencil color. Okay? Now, first number is 6345 and I will do circle afterwards. Second number is 9604. Next, 7154 and 8235. We have E and F also. I will be doing it later on. Now, let me circle the digits. In first question, 6 is circled. In next question, 4 is circled. In next question, 5 is circled. And here, 2 is circled. So, let's write the answer. Okay. Now, here 6 is circled. So, हम इसको क्या लिखेंगे? We will write 6 is at 1000 place. So, 6000 or in spelling form if you want. So, 6 thousands. Any of the method you can use. Either use this method, either use this one. Okay. Choose any one and then do. Okay. Now, second question. In second question, 4 is at ones place. So, what we can write? 4 or 4 ones. It's totally your wish that if you want to write in number only, you can write in numbers also. Okay. Now, next. C. 7154. Here the circle number is 5. 5 circled है और 5 कौन सी place पे? Tens place पे. So, the answer will be 5050. Or we can write 5 is at tens place, so we will write 5 tens. Okay? It's totally your wish that how you want to write in number form or in words. Next, 8235. 8235. Here 2 is at which place? 100 place. So we will write here 200 or 2 hundreds. Like this. Clear? कैसे लिखना है? So let me erase this. Now you can see here. I'm erasing this. Why I'm erasing the answer? So that you can see कि if you want you can write in this way only. अगर आप चाहो तो सिर्फ नंबर फॉर्म में भी आप लिख सकते हो ऐसे आंसर्स. ठीक है, एक डिजिट में एक नंबर आपको लिखना होगा. Alright, so you can do in this way also. Now question number E and F is also there. So now I'm writing E here and F here. Ones, tens, 100,000. Here the next question is 7642 and 5198. Now which number is circle? Let me tell you. The circle digit is 4 and here it is 5. So now tell me that which number is circle? 4. 4 कौन सी place पे है? Tens place. So 4 is at tens place, so we will write it as 40. Yeah, 4 tens. Both are okay, both are the same thing. Alright, so now let me erase this. Next question is 5198. So 5 is at which place? 1000. So what we have to write? 5000. In this way you have to complete your work, your class work. This is place value. Place value का meaning क्या होता है? Like for example 2, 3, 6, 9 ये दिया है नंबर. This is ones, this is tens, 100 and 1000. ठीक है? अगर 3 पे सर्कल है तो अगर मैं 3 का लिखना है, 3 कहाँ पे? 100 प्लेस पे. तो 3 लिख के हम क्या करेंगे? उसके बाद 3 के बाद कितने डिजिट है? 1, 2. क्या लगा देंगे? उनकी जगह 0. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस मेथड ऑल्सो सो दैट कि आप कंफ्यूज ना हो कभी. ठीक है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4, 8, 3, 7 नंबर है. दिस इज वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000 ना. अब सर्कल है 4 पे. ठीक है, 4 पे सर्कल है. तो क्या करेंगे? 4 को एज इट इज लिखेंगे और उसके बाद कितने डिजिट है? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 टाइम्स 0, क्योंकि 4 कहाँ है? 1000 पे, तो 4 के बाद 3 0 होने चाहिए. आप इस तरह से पहचान सकते हो ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 3, 6, 7. अब हम सबका लिखेंगे. 7 कहाँ पे है? वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000. 7 कहाँ पे? वंस पे, तो 7 को एज इट इज लिखेंगे. 6 कहाँ पे? टेंस पे, तो क्या लिखेंगे? 6, 0, 60. 6 के बाद एक डिजिट है ना, सो 6, 0, 60. नाउ आप 3 इज एट 100 प्लेस, तो 3 के बाद कितने डिजिट हैं? 2 डिजिट है, सो 2 0, दैट मीन्स 300. After 2, how many digits are there? 2 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 2 कहाँ पे? 1000 पे. So got it. Tens में एक 0 लगता है, 100 में 00, 1000 में 000. If you know this, then you can do all the questions by your own. So now I'm writing over here your today's homework. You will write the same heading. ठीक है, write the, all of you write the homework and put the date. Write the place value of the circled digit. ठीक है, and questions are, I'm writing here A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, and here will be ones, tens, 100 and 1000, and then draw one line and write down the answers. Now first number is 3265. Next question is 4019. Everyone write down the numbers. Next 3503. Next 2005. Next 7842. Next 5126. Next 7135. Now let's put the circle. Circle कहाँ लगेगा? Let's put the circle here on 6. Okay, first question on 6. I'm using the red now so that it will be clearly visible. On 6, then on, in this 4119 on 1, and then in 3503 on 5. Next on 2005, is it on 5? Next E 7842 4. Here on 5, here on 1. So now it's totally your wish that how you want to write the answer. If you want to write the answer in numbers like this 60 or 6 tens, this is totally your wish that which option you choose and how you are writing the answer. Clear? But write in the same format. सारे आंसर सेम फॉर्मेट में आपको लिखने हैं. Clear? And do the revision of your unit test. Okay, don't forget that you have your test, so prepare properly. So what are the topics? You know it very well. Okay. What are the topics, students? Let me remind you. That is addition, subtraction, revise properly of 4-digit number, right? 4-digit number. Then multiply you have, and divide you have. Then you have write in words also. So revise each and everything. Then you have write in figures also, right? These three topics, this is addition, subtraction, multiply, divide. These 4 questions are already there. Then write in words, write in figure, and we have put the correct sign, right? And then we have before, after, between also, right? Before, after, and between also, right? ये भी है before, after, between, and we have covered all the topic. Before, after, between भी मैंने पढ़ा दिया, put the correct sign भी पढ़ा दिया, right? Write in words, write in figure. I have covered all the topics, right? So how many topics are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and there is one more topic. Let me write that also. And the last topic is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, this is 7, 8, and last but not the least, that is your tables. You have to revise your tables also, right? Up to 15, 11 to 15. So revise properly. Revise properly, okay? So revise each and every topics properly, and try to solve MCQ pattern question. Ask to your elders that give me some questions, I want to solve it, or you can just take your book and start solving. Do enrichment activities, okay? It is in your book. वहाँ पे आपको MCQ pattern मिल जाएंगे. You can use mental math sheets also. Try to solve each and every topics properly. Alright? And then on Monday I am going to teach you ascending and descending order of 4-digit number. Alright? And after that, next day I will be giving you thorough revision of your unit test 2. Alright? I will be covering all the topics properly. And practice more and more. Give your test properly, and just learn each and every subject. And in maths you need only practice, and copy down the digits properly. That is also very much important. अगर आप क्वेश्चन देखते हो, क्वेश्चन में 2 लिखा है, आप उसकी जगह 3 उतार दोगे तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? गलत होगा. So you copy down properly these questions and then solve properly. Alright? Take your time. You will be having 1 hour paper. आराम से सॉल्व करो एंड देन सबमिट. डोंट बी इन हरी, अदरवाइज आपके मार्क्स छूट सकते हैं, और या कोई क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना छूट सकता है, राइट? सो बहुत आराम से आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं एंड देन पेपर सबमिट करना है. क्लियर? ओके, सो बाय बाय, टेक केयर, हैव अ नाइस डे स्टूडेंट्स. जय हिंद.